Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Alright, so we're going to work on our junk journal July today. Today is day 5. It's July 5th today. So our prompt is, you probably can't read that, fold out. So, alright, and here's our page that we did yesterday. So we'll be working on this spread today. What I've got is, I've got these fold out. Well, I did 3 of them. I pulled these 2 out. These are something that Barbara at 49 Dragonflies had done. I'm not kidding. At least 2 years ago, maybe longer. I don't know if I could even find her video. But what she did was she basically did a fold out thing, and then like this, and then decorated each little bit and piece of it. And so back then I was so inspired by what she had done that I created a couple of these bases, and so that's what these things are. So basically what you do is you would glue this side to your page, and then you would have your little flippy flappy situations happening. And so then this one's just a different version. Let's see, maybe it's just front, yeah. And so then you would fold, glue that to the page, and then it's just interactive and really cool. So I've had these sitting in my stash for the longest time, thinking, oh, I'll decorate those someday and put them in a journal. And have I? No, I have not done a single one of them, but I've always meant to. So I thought, well, okay, let's go ahead and use one, probably one, because I don't know if you can see this, but we're on day 5, guys. It's like not shutting. I don't know what's going to happen with this journal. But yeah, it's already getting pretty chunky. So I would do 2, but I'll just do the 1. And maybe I'll do this other one. This one might be a better one. So, and then I'll just do a little collage on the other page just to kind of finish up the page. But each one of these has a little pocket. So you can put little doodads into the pockets, and yeah, so you would decorate the page, or if you didn't want to decorate, you could just write on it or do whatever you wanted to do, really. But so I thought I would go ahead and do that with you today. I have, these are all my scraps that used to be in the little container thing, and then they were all standing up. That was a bit unruly and unmanageable for me. So I don't know if this is better, but it's different. I moved it all into this. I need to use this stuff up. So I'm going to try and use this Junk Journal July to use as much of this stuff as I possibly can. Because, yeah, I got too many scraps. And then here's the little bits and pieces box from that. I also pulled out a few. These were randomly in that other box as well, which they shouldn't have been. They were just some other ephemera and stuff that I had pulled out for some project, excuse me, and then never used. So I don't know if I'll use them on this page or not. Actually, I pulled out these to use instead, somehow, maybe. Again, just scraps. I don't even know if I'll use both of these. Maybe I'll put this in here or something, but, anyway, I didn't like the blue against this. Well, I've got different colors happening. So maybe I'll put, no, I don't like that. Maybe I'll do this. Okay, so I'm just going to collage and turn on the fast forward and some music. And yeah, I might do voiceover. I don't know. The other thing I was thinking was, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a daily video. I might find, and this is what I did last year, that sometimes I might do multiple days in one video. So if you're hoping to get a video every single day this month, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I don't want to promise that and then not be able to deliver. So just know that I'm going to do what I can do, but there may be sometimes it gets busy, like in the middle of the week as it is now. It's Tuesday. Tuesday through Thursday tend to be a bit more busy for me. So sometimes I need to come home from work and just not do anything. And so, well, and I need to pack too. But anyway, so I just wanted to put that out there as a little disclaimer. But anyway, let's do some collaging. Alright guys, so that's all done. I'm not helping my bulky situation here at all. I didn't think it was going to get that bulky, guys, but it did. But let me give you a closer up look. So it's super random. This is just some extra scraps that I had in my scrap pile, and yeah, so I wondered about adding this. Oh, I've glued my hair into my journal. I wondered about adding this big polka dot napkin, but I'm glad I did. I think it looks really cool. And then I guess if there's a theme, I wanted to kind of keep the yellow kind of incorporated sort of throughout, so you can see it kind of up there, over here, and there. So kind of yellows and I guess blues, I suppose. I didn't really, and a little bit of pink. And red. So, yeah, I went ahead and made a tab out of that cardstock, and then on the tab I put a little word sticker. It says wishing. We've got a birdie there, and then when you open this, sorry, when you open this, you got another little word sticker. It says a little bit of everything, which this is. This came from a Boy Scout handbook. I just thought he was kind of fun, so I put him there. We've got a couple birdies. I guess that's another theme I didn't really intend on, but ended up doing. Actually, this is ridiculous. Let me just bring the camera down closer. That would be so much easier. Okay, there we go. Now hopefully you can see. So, yep, some book page, and here, this is just a mishmash of different things, and it says artist. Open that up, and you've got this that says the pretty little birds chirped. I added that because you can see the birds there. And then over here, this one says she was wishing, kind of goes along with wishing there. And then open this up, we've got the storyteller over here, and then tucked into that little pocket is this vellum piece with a little rose on it. And you can see there's yellow, a little bit of yellow, and yellow over here. Over here we've got a little nest for our birdies that are over there. And then in this pocket we've got this little tag. I probably should have had a word sticker on that, but I guess I didn't. But I love the little polka dot pull, and a little bit of yellow again. So, tried to keep with that little theme. I guess I didn't add any more butterflies, but there's a butterfly up here at the top of the page. So, this one ended up being a little bit chunkier than I thought it would be. I don't know if I should try and staple it, or I don't even know, not staple it. I don't think I can fasten this. I should have added a little thing to shut it with, but well, it is what it is. So let me bring you, whoops, let me bring you back up. Hopefully not ruin everything. There we go. And I'm going to add our date here. So it's July 5th. Yeah, where should we add that? Maybe right there. There we go, July 5th. Okay guys, well that's it for me today. I'm gonna go downstairs and have some dinner, and I hope you all have had a great day, and have a great day tomorrow, and we'll get a video out tomorrow too, hopefully. If not, I'm sorry, might do a couple in one day. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.